In this tutorial, we'll guide you through on how to invite employees to Staffviz. To start the process, navigate to the Resource Management section, and from the drop-down click the Employee option. On this page, click the Invite button at the top right of your dashboard. This opens the Employee Invitation form. Here on the form, all the fields with asterisks are compulsory to fill out. First, enter the employee's work email address. In case you want to add multiple employees, please enter the email address of each employee one by one. In the next field, select their job title. Next is work shift such as morning or night, and then choose their department like sales, marketing, or engineering. Next, you need to configure the tracking settings by selecting the tracking mode. Auto time tracking will automatically record time for tasks and projects, while manual timesheet requires employees to log their working hours manually. Next, you can enable or disable web and app tracking. Enable web and app tracking if you want to track the websites and applications used during work hours. Next is the snapshot settings. If needed, activate the capture screen option to take automatic screenshots. Here you can set the intervals and also the frequency, defining how many screenshots should Staffviz capture within the selected interval. Next is the idle time settings. Set the idle time duration to determine when an employee is marked idle, with options such as 10 or 20 minutes depending on your plan. Finally, choose how idle time is handled, whether it is automatically accepted, rejected. Here, select after how long Staffviz should changes the idle employee's status to inactive. Lastly, you may change the invitation message. Once all settings are configured, click the Invite button to send the invitation email. The employee will receive instructions to join and set up their profile. That's how you can invite employees. Keep watching for more updates on Staffviz.